Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds Energy System Style 4 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, you need to press this line or click Enter. Then, at the right top, you will see the button at device. You need to press this button, or if you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. And in this window, you need to select Bluetooth. Now, open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, they will enter to prank mode automatically, and you will see them at the device list. Also, we can enter to prank mode manually. So, at the back side of each earbud, at the top, right here and right here, we have touch areas. You need to press and hold at the both of these touch areas until the LED lights start blinking blue. And you will enter to prank mode manually. Then we need to press at the headphones here and then click Done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!